To take a number out of standard notation into scientific notation, I'm going to take and first put a decimal after the first non-zero working from left to right. So I would place my decimal after the 7 before the 8. That is my new decimal. So now I'm going to write that new number without the leading zeros. Okay. Now you can either write it as times 10 or you can write it as E, because that's what I do. I use the shortcut. Now I'm going to count from my new decimal to my original decimal. So 1, 2. Now since I went left on a number line, left is negative, so that's -2. So the next problem, I work from the left to the right, and I put my decimal after the first non-zero number. So my new decimal goes there. So I'm going to write my number, 2.72338 times 10, or E. So I'm going to count from my new decimal to my original. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since I went left, it's -6. So now the next one. We understand that the decimal is at the end of the number here after the last zero. So starting from left to right, I have to place my new decimal. So my new decimal goes after the first non-zero number. So I'm going to write it without the trailing zeros. And we're going to count from our new decimal to our original. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since I went right on the number line, 5 is positive, so it's going to be 1.18 e to the 5th.